When sunlight hits raindrops, they act as
a prism and form a rainbow.
The rainbow splits, white light into many colors.
Crying babies going on in the background.
Barking dogs going on in the background.
50-yard, 60-yard line. Now we're at the 70-yard line. This is the 80-yard line.
If you work for a company that won't let you install software on your computer, you've probably run into this problem before. The headset you've been given may not be meeting your needs, and if you're gonna pay for a headset out of pocket, you need it to work properly without the need for software downloads. Especially in industries like healthcare, financial services, government, insurance, and large enterprise environments. The good news is there are some excellent headset options that work right out of the box without requiring software downloads, admin permissions, or IT approval. We're gonna cover 4 different headset options ranging from budget-friendly wired headsets all the way up to premium wireless headset models. Before we look at the headsets though, let's clear up one of the biggest misconceptions. A lot of people think a wireless Bluetooth headset connects only directly to your computer with Bluetooth. And while that's technically possible, it's often not how professional business headsets are designed to be used. In fact, many corporate laptops have Bluetooth disabled or heavily restricted by IT. The good news is professional wireless headsets typically connect through a USB dongle that's plugged directly into your computer. And that's one of the reasons why professional business headsets are very different from consumer headphones. Let's start with the most affordable option on the list in the Discover D712U. If your primary goal is to keep costs down while still getting a professional grade headset experience, this is a great place to start. Because it's wired, you never have to worry about batteries, charging, wireless interference, firmware updates, or Bluetooth restrictions. You simply plug it into your computer and start taking calls. It's available in a single speaker and dual speaker, so you get the flexibility, and works great for customer service, office workers, and anyone who wants a simple, reliable headset solution. Now let's just hear what the microphone sounds like. When sunlight hits raindrops, they act as a prism and form a rainbow.
The rainbow splits, white light into many colors, shaping a arch with ends beyond the horizon.
When sunlight hits raindrops, they act as a prism and form a rainbow.
The rainbow splits, white light into many colors, shaping a high arch with ends beyond the horizon.
When sunlight hits raindrops, they act as a prism and form a rainbow.
The rainbow splits, white light into many colors, shaping a high arch with ends beyond the horizon.
Moving up the ladder, we have the EPOS Impact 860. This is where microphone performance starts taking a major step forward. If you work in a noisy office, call center, customer service department, or anywhere with loud distractions going on around you, the microphone becomes incredibly important. One thing EPOS has done exceptionally well is microphone noise cancellation. The Impact 860 uses multiple microphones and advanced processing to focus on your voice while reducing background distractions and still keeping that good voice fidelity. The headset itself is doing most of the heavy lifting to block out the background noise. And if you do go with this model, I'd highly recommend adding the over-ear comfort cushions for even better comfort. For many users, this is the sweet spot between performance and price. When sunlight hits raindrops, they act as a prism and form a rainbow.
The rainbow splits, white light into many colors, shaping a high arch with ends beyond the horizon.
When sunlight hits raindrops, they act as a prism and form a rainbow.
The rainbow splits, white light into many colors, shaping a high arch with ends beyond the horizon.
When sunlight hits raindrops, they act as a prism and form a rainbow.
The rainbow splits, white light into many colors, shaping a high arch with ends beyond the horizon.
If microphone performance is your highest priority and you prefer to go wireless, then the EPOS Impact 1000 deserves some serious consideration. This has consistently been one of the best microphone noise canceling headsets we've tested. No software required, no complicated setup, or admin permissions needed. Just plug it in and start using it.
This is what the EPOS Impact 1000 sounds like with office noises going on in the background. And this is what it sounds like on the EPOS with barking dogs going on in the background. This is the Impact 1000 with crying babies going on in the background. This is what it sounds like. All right, now this is what it sounds like with typing with the EPOS Impact 1000 going on in the background.
Now let's talk about the best overall on the list with the Yealink HA64 Pro. If you want wireless freedom, long range, and advanced features, this is one of my favorite options available today. Unlike traditional Bluetooth headsets that rely on your computer's Bluetooth connection, the HA64 Pro uses a dedicated wireless connection through the included base station with DECT technology. You simply connect a USB cord from the charging base and plug it into your computer. That gives you exceptional wireless range and reliability. And one of the biggest advantages is the touchscreen base. Many settings can be adjusted directly from the charging base itself. So the charging base doesn't only just look nice, but you don't need to download additional software to make simple adjustments.
All right, now this is what it sounds like with 7 people in the background here. And this is what it sounds like with barking dogs going on in the background. This is what it sounds like. This is what it sounds like with a crying baby going on in the background. And this is what it sounds like with typing going on in the background. This is what it sounds like.
And now let me show you the difference of wireless range between Bluetooth and DECT technology.
Now we're at the 10-yard line. This is what the Yealink sounds like.
And this is what the Jabra Evolve 265 Flex sounds like. And we're going to see which one cuts out first.
All right, now we're at the 20-yard line. This is the Yealink.
And this is the Jabra, and this is what it sounds like.
All right, now we're at the 30-yard line. This is what it sounds like on the Yealink headset.
And this is what it sounds like on the Jabra headset.
All right, now we're at the 40-yard line with the Yealink.
And this is the Jabra. Testing 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Now we're going to take the Yealink and see if we can keep going. 50-yard line. Now we're at the 60-yard line. Now we're at the 70-yard line. This is the 80-yard line. This is the 90-yard line. Now we're in the end zone. How we sounding? 20 yards past that. How do I sound?
Sounds clear.
If you spend all day on calls and want the best overall wireless experience, this is probably the model that I'd lean toward. So which one should you choose? If you're looking for the lowest cost option and just want something reliable, then the Discover D712U or D711U is a great choice. If microphone quality and office performance are the most important, but you want to stay in a reasonable budget range, then the EPOS Impact 860 is an excellent option. If you want to stay wireless with one of the best microphone noise canceling headsets available today, then the EPOS Impact 1000 should be near the top of your list. And if you want a good mix of it all with a very good noise canceling microphone, long range wireless freedom, premium features at a good value price, and a software-free experience, then the Yealink HA64 Pro is a hard one to beat. The biggest takeaway from this video is software restrictions don't mean you're stuck with poor audio quality. The key is choosing the right headset for your environment and budget. And if you're not sure which option is right for you, contact our team today and we'll help narrow down the best solution based on your specific needs. And if you're ordering for a team of people and you want specialized pricing, compatibility assistance, or recommendation, you'll find links to the 4 models in the description below, as well as our contact information. That's it for this video. If you found it helpful, give it a like, as it helps support our company, and consider subscribing to our YouTube channel for more videos like this in the future.